The next thing we want to take a look at is working backwards. How could we write a system of linear equalities if we already have the graph? So really it's just asking us to write the two inequalities that are shown here. Right? So things I notice about this first one, it's a horizontal line, which means it's a y equals. Right? I see that I shaded above that line, right? Which means my line is actually going to be y is greater than, and it's a solid line, so I need the or equal to. Right. And then what number is that? Well, that's at -2. So y is greater than or equal to -2 is my first inequality. The second inequality I see right away is a dashed line. And it has a y-intercept at 0. And it looks like it has a slope of up 1 over 1. So the slope is 1 over 1, which is just 1. And finally, the shading is below that line. So how can I write that inequality? Well, I would write y is less than, but not equal to, because it's dashed. Right? M was 1, right? But if it's just 1x, right, I could just write x. Right? If you show the 1x, that's okay too. 1x, and then same thing, the plus 0 I don't really need. Right? So the best inequality to write for the second one, so the first one, y is greater than or equal to -2. The second one, y is less than x plus 0 I don't have to show. Right? But if you wrote it this way, that would be okay. Right? Best answer just doesn't show the extra stuff. If we look at one more together. I see a vertical line, right? It's solid line. Okay. The shading is to the left, which was another way of saying smaller numbers, right? So that's like saying below a value, right? And this was a vertical line. And vertical lines were x equals a number, right? So what x value is staying the same there? It's at x equals 3. So I would have an inequality. X is, well, solid and below would be less than or equal to 3. My second inequality here is a dashed line. The shading is above that line. Right. The y-intercept, my b value, is at -1. And the slope, finding more points where it hits exactly, is almost one of the hardest things to do, especially on a computer when I can't actually touch that paper, right? Okay, so just double checking after you find it, count the same slope a couple more times to make sure it really works. And this was 2 over 3, up 2 over 3. So my slope is 2 over 3. And again, since it's going in this direction, it's going uphill, it should be a positive slope. So I'm ready to write my inequality. Y above means greater than, dashed means I don't put the or equal to. Mx plus b would be 2/3 x and plus -1, or just -1. If you wrote plus -1, that would be okay too, but -1 would be the best answer. So see if you could try a few of those.